click, it's your girl Nesha, and today I'm back with another lit video for the channel. So I just got to Kaz's house. I'm in the bathroom. He is playing his game. I am going to mess up his game.
That's what I'm saying. Oh man. I can't even say what I'm saying.
Can I play?
Nah, not right now. Bro, come on. Stop playing. Stop playing, bro.
What do you mean?
Bro, stop. Oh, I'm going.
Hello. No.
Stop. Stop. Oh yeah. Stop. Stop playing, bro. Why you playing so much?
Excuse me, Justin. Kaz's about to lose the game, so just be prepared.
Justin, this don't count as a win. You, bro, move, bro. Bro, move. You put on the headphones wrong. Yes. Yo, what's up with you?
I told you I'm gonna get you.
Bro, you play a lot, bro.
It's okay.
Play a lot, bro.
I told you, right?
Bro, you play a lot, bro.
I told you, right?
Stop
So
playing.
does this controller work?
Stop playing.
I'm not playing.
Stop playing.
Oh, it works. Can I play?
No, I'm playing Justin real quick.
Can I play?
No.
What do I press?
Yo!
What did I do? You lost? You lost?
Move. Now we get out of here, bro.
What did I do? I can't get this.
No. I would have caught that just now. What the
That's me? So why are you playing?
No, you're not.
No.
No, you're not.
So
I suck, Justin. I suck. It's literally a free W. Stop playing. Sit down, bro. Sit down.
Turn it off.
Bro, sit down, bro. I'ma lose, bro. Sit down and move. Move out the way.
First of all,
Pretend I'm not here. Just pretend I'm not here.
you look stressed out.
Just
Can you
pretend
please
I'm not
move?
here.
Can you please move?
You look stressed out.
Can you please move?
Okay. Let me get a
Justin,
hug.
Justin,
I didn't get a
Justin,
hug
this is
since
free.
I came in
Justin,
here.
Justin, this is a free win, Justin. This is literally a free win.
I didn't get a hug since I came in.
Alright.
Now come dance with me.
Bro, no, I'm not dancing. Get away from the TV.
Pretend I'm not here.
Come.
Get away from the TV.
Why? Come.
Move, bro.
I know this.
Bro, stop playing. Listen, you playing nobody right now. I'm trying to look. I can't really look.
Where's the other controller? Let me help you out.
Bro, what are you helping me out? You
What
can't
is
help
it,
me out
this
with nothing.
button?
You can't help me out with anything.
Personal.
Bro, stop.
Don't snatch. This remote?
Yes.
Bro, stop playing, bro. Stop playing. Get on my face. Get on my face. Get on my face. Get on my face.
I'll turn it off if you don't.
If you don't
Let's
kiss me,
go.
I'm gonna turn it off.
Let's go.
If you don't kiss me, I'm gonna turn it off.
Oh my gosh, bro.
I'm just okay.
Stop playing. It's gonna take that long to turn on.
I love you.
Bro, stop. Stop.
Okay, what is this?
Don't touch that. If you
Bro,
plug,
just put it down.
if you plug it out, it's just gonna just shut up.
What's this?
Bro, stop. You know what that is, bro. Stop.
You're gonna mess up. Oh my
Bro,
god.
you play too much, bro.
It's gonna turn off.
That's just gonna turn off, bro.
Oops.
Stop, please.
Can I get a hug?
No. You just ruined my brother's whole stuff.
Are you sad?
I got you.
Are you sad? NK click. NK click. He was about to cry. He was about to cry.
Bro, you're not posting that. You're not posting that.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
That was literally a
Well, I'm not
prank video.
posting.
So that was literally a prank.
Nah, Lou. You think I got him good?
Bro, you're
No.
not posting that. You're not posting that.
Why am I
My
not posting
brother
it?
got mad. My brother got he got triggered.
Bro, get him out the camera, bro. I don't know why
got
not.
triggered.
He mad because I turned off his little game here. You
He got
mad?
triggered. He got triggered, my man. He got triggered.
You got triggered, Kaz? Is that what it is?
Yes, he got triggered.
Team Nesha.
That's not a prank.
Hold the L. It's a reaction video. See how you was gonna react. Hold the L.
Bro, that's not a prank, bro.
I got you mad. That's what I wanted to
Literally turn
do.
off the game, bro. That's not a prank.
I wanted to get you mad. Look at you.
My brother is triggered.
So yes, NK Click. I just got him and he's mad. Talking about I'm not gonna post. What do you mean it shouldn't even count? That was mad funny. And NK Click about to have a good laugh. Yup. Cause
Posting that, bro.
yes I am, because you made them laugh at me when I was trying on my outfits.
Bro, you're not posting that, bro.
Why am I not posting this?
Posting it, I'm gonna delete it, so go ahead.
Why would you delete it? Cause I got you?
Posting it, I'm deleting
Cause
it.
I got you?
Bro, this the L don't even count, Justin.
Cause I got you? See, he talking to his brother on the game. He mad cause I got him, guys.
That touch don't even count.
He's so mad. Nalu, I got your brother, right?
No, you do not.
I don't see your name.
He gonna have his brother back. But yes, I got him.
Hell, bro.
W for Nesha.
No, not W, not W.
He's still playing his game. I just gotta leave him when he on his game, cause
That is not a W.
girls, if y'all have this problem, do it to your man. Turn off the game right in front of him. Period. All summer 2021. Off. Alright. Okay, NK Click. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe.
I'm not posting it. I don't know why you're telling me.
Why am I not posting it? Why am I not posting it, Kaz? He's so salty, guys. But yes, please share this video. Get us to 1,000 subscribers. Please get us to 1,000 subscribers. Like, we need to get there.
What about 500? You said you can restrict it to 1,000. That's what you're doing.
All right, get us to 500. Because right now we have 344, I think. So get us to 500. We gonna take little steps. Get us to 500 subscribers. Make sure you share this video.
It doesn't matter if you're not even posting it.
What do you mean I'm not posting it? Yo, he's so mad. But anyways, guys, see you guys later.